Hello, it's Luke from Divine Star, and I'm just making a quick video. I'm actually talking because what's going on here is kind of hard to explain, but this is the first server test. So I have the server running over here. It's just a simple WebSocket server. So what I did was basically I converted all chunk data to be a single array buffer, and then I got the engine actually working on Node.js instead of just a browser. So what I'm going to do here is open up the console. So we're going to just kill server and start it up again. And then if I do this, so I can have windows, put them both right next to each other. And if I reset it, you can see it says got a connection, and then the chunks load in. So what actually happened was that here in the code you can see that we open up a WebSocket connection to localhost at this port, and then we wait for a certain message. So we get the data, and then we see if the first 2 bytes or so is a 0, and that means set a chunk, else that means load. So in the actual server code here, in the world thread, we start the WebSocket server, and then once we get a connection, we send the world data, and we just send the actual buffer of data. So this is just the start of the server testing. I'm going to work on a multiplayer example soon, but most of that's still going to be up to people that are using the engine. I still want to keep the engine as generic as possible, but having the chunk data as a single buffer is a lot easier to send and a lot quicker just to set. The only kind of annoying thing, I guess, is that in order to actually get the chunk data into a shared array buffer, I have to create 2 temp arrays and then get the or copy over the chunk buffer into the shared array buffer. But maybe JavaScript optimizes that stuff on the back end, but now Divine Voxel Engine has this function called add chunk from server in the world thread, which will handle all that for you. The data will be set. In terms of figuring out which chunks get set and all that, that's still up to you. But the availability to do that now is now available. So I will keep updating on this. This is pretty exciting. So yeah, thank you for watching.